How's it going, guys? I have another mythical Pokemon collection unboxing. This is the Darkrai edition. Promo foil, 2 generation packs, Darkrai pin. So yeah, let's get right into it. Little pamphlet. I've showed this on the other video. Alright, so got this Darkrai promo foil. Pretty awesome. Full art. It has Dark Cutter and Abyssal Sleep. 110 HP. Put that to the side here. Nice looking Darkrai pin from my cap collection. Alright guys, I know what y'all want to see. Boosters generation. Alright, let's start it off with Blastoise. Charizard, leave him for the last. Alright, see what we got here. We got Gulpin, Trainer, Pokemon Center Lady, Graveler, wow, Water Energy, a Krabby, a Ghastly, nice artwork on the Ghastly, Meowth, Dark Energy, Oil, an Altaria, has a nice artwork to it, and a rare Parasect. Not really a big fan, but oh well. Sorry if the video's a little bit shaky. Let's get Charizard open. Hopefully this one contains an EX or full art. Oh, this will make the pack worth it. Fingers crossed. Alright, I got a Swablu, another Center Lady fan club, Strength, Energy, a Meowth, Magmar, a Pikachu, a Trainer Clement, Supporter, a Swirlix, come on, oh my god, a rare Dodrio. So pissed off that I dropped the card. Alright, so this pack was not worth it. It sucked. The Darkrai foil's pretty good, but other than that, not really a big fan. This is pretty awesome. Alright guys, well, hope you all enjoyed this. Stay tuned for the next one. I'll have the next mythical Pokemon coming up, unboxing. Alright, well, subscribe and hope you all enjoyed. Thanks guys.